23rd February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have time for nations facing tariff to unionize, says Lula. Again, important for international issues perspective. Then we have three Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists killed in Kishtwar, says army. Again, important for internal security perspective. Then we have top Maoist leaders surrender in Telangana. Again, important for security perspective. Then we have three women from Arunachal Pradesh alleged racial abuse. Again, important for discrimination as well as society perspective. Then we have FIR against Jharkhand LOP, 100 others for MCC violation. Going forward, we have why are Apple traders in Jammu and Kashmir worried? Again, important. Then we have why did the US stop a core radiation safety rule? Then we have AI in the brain, similar in scale, different in design. Again, important for science and tech perspective. Going forward, we have Congress protest shows its ideological bankruptcy, says Prime Minister. Then we have Prime Minister launches full Delhi Meerut RRTS corridor. Again, important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have AI Impact Summit is a turning point in use of tech, says Prime Minister Modi. Again, important for science and tech perspective. Going forward, we have Delhi police arrest 8 with alleged link to terror outfits. Again, important for security perspective. Then we have security agencies issues alert on illegal use of satellite phones in Indian waters. Again, important. Then we have opportunities risk in importing health policy. Important for health perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Pakistan claims at least 70 militants killed in strikes along Afghan border. Then we have no thanks. Greenland Prime Minister rejects Trump's hospital ship. Then we have man shot dead after trying to access Trump Florida estate. Lastly, we have Russian drone missile barrage pounds energy rail infrastructure across Ukraine. All these news are very important for international issues perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.